So what have you done here? Are you cleaning out the fridge? Daphne, don't you put your mouth on that. Can you put the salad dressing back for me? Where does that go? Can you put the syrup back? No, yuck, 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 yuck. Don't put your mouth on it. Uh-oh. The door's been open too long. Uh-oh. You need help? Okay. Let's put Mrs. Butterworth back. Here, can you put this one back for Mommy? Can you put it back? Thank you. Can you put this one back? No. We're going in the wrong direction now.
Yeah.
I think that would be better over there. I'm going to do the produce drawer next. That's nice. That's very heavy. I'm impressed. Oh, and we really got to shut the door, though, because all the food we just bought today in the food store is going to go bad. Yeah, that's a mess waiting to happen. Can Mommy see? Thank you. Say bye, Mrs. Butterworth. Bye-bye. I'll see you. Oh, it's an Owen tantrum. Uh-oh. Yeah, you did it, fresh boy. Yay. No more syrup. We're going to leave that there. Oh, life is so hard when we can't play with the maple syrup. All right, let's put this away. Can you help Mommy close it? Uh-oh. Okay. Can you help Mommy close it? The wrong way. Come here, scooch. Say bye. Bye, refrigerator toys. Oh, Mommy's so mean. Oh, no, you're so mad at me, right? Oh, I'm the meanest mommy in the whole world. I'm the meanest mommy in the whole world. Owen. Mommy loves tantrums. There's our food shopping bags. On to the next toy, right? You can play with that. Yeah, we're over it now. Beat it up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, we'll see you later. Mommy's going to go wash her hands. They're sticky.